Hi to everyone, welcome to our Ani Computer Science Academy. Today we will discuss about the classes and exceptions in our IoT, Internet of Things. And it is one of the concept in our Internet of Things. Now we will see all these are. First like this video so that it reaches so many students and they will learn all these topics. A class is a blueprint of an object. Both classes and objects are there in our object-oriented programming language. And class is also one of the feature in our OOPS, nothing but object-oriented programming. Exception means what? It is an runtime error. In runtime error, we have the try, catch and try, catch. All those are now we'll discuss. Let's start our class. First, don't skip this video, watch to end of this class so that you can understand what is the classes and how it will be used in our IoT. And it is also one of the concept in our Python programming also, students. This IoT subject is there for B.Tech students, for final year students, and it is also very important concept and easiest concept. Now we'll see what is the class. Class is nothing but it is the blueprint of an object. It provides the blueprint of an object. This is called as the classes. Each class will have the object attributes also. Now we will see a user-defined prototype will have the object defines a set of attributes. A class will have a set of attributes. It is nothing but that characterized to an object of a class. Next point, write point wise in your semester exam, students, so that the examiner will get good impression on your booklet and you can score many more marks. Now we'll see classes and objects are two main aspects of an object oriented programming. Classes and objects are main feature in our OOPS, that is object oriented programming. Next is a class creates the new type and object is an instance of class, which means that a class will be created new type and an object will have the instance to that object, to that class. This process is called as the classes. Classes will create the new object. For that object will what will do? It act as an instance to the class. Next is the classes. It is the blueprint of class object. Next is now is the exception. Exception is also very important concept, students. Note down all these diagrams and these points in your notes, students, and prepare well, write well exams. Now we will see an exception is an runtime error. Now only I said it is an runtime error. At the while running our program, it will occur an exception. An interrupt will occur. This process is called as the exception. Exception which can be handled by the programmer, which means that it will be handled by the programmer who are writing the code. Next is the exceptions which are already available in the Python called as the built-in exception, which means that already available in the Python, that exceptions is called as the built-in exceptions. Next point is the base class for all built-in exceptions are base exception class. The base class of all built-in exceptions is called as the base class built-in exceptions. Now we will see types of exceptions and what is the types are there, how many are there. Now we will see here base exception. Base exception is first point, it is one of the exception in our Python and IoT. It is divided into exception. Exception is nothing but runtime error and it will occur in the while we are executing a program. And this exception is divided into two types. That is, one is the standard errors are there. Next is the warning. How many warnings are there? Now we will see. First we will see standard errors. How many errors are there? Name error. Name errors is nothing but our program will have the specific name in which name we are writing the code. that name will have the first error. Error will be occurred if we are writing any mistakes in that name. Next is the arithmetic error. Arithmetic error is nothing but calculation, either addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or anything arithmetic calculations, arithmetic operators which are used in arithmetic operators. If we are giving any mistakes, at that time we will occur the arithmetic error. Next one is the accentration. It is also one of the standard error. Next one is syntax error. Syntax error is nothing but if we are not writing the proper syntax, at that time it will be occur syntax error. Next one is the type error. Type error is nothing but it is divided into two types, that is the implicit type and the explicit type, which means that it is also one of the concept in this our types. If explicit error is nothing but externally global error, implicit error within the code we have this some errors that is called as the implicit and explicit type error. Next one error is import error. It is also one of the standard error in our exception. Next one is the EOF. It is also one of the error. Note down this diagram, students. Now is the warning. Warning also divided into three types, that is deprecation error, deprecation warning. And while we are executing a program, you will get some warnings. Those warnings are three types are there, that is deprecation of error, deprecation of warning. It is the first type. Next one is the runtime warning. Runtime warning is nothing but while we are compile time errors, if we are running the program, at that time we get the runtime warning. Next one is the input warning. Input warning is also one of the type in our warning. Note down all these points in your notes, students. If you have any doubts, write in comments. I will definitely reply to you. And if you are watching first time, subscribe our channel and click on bell icon and select all, so that when I will upload the videos, you will get by notification. Thank you.